back to the Scuderia way.
There's a whisper in the metal, a legend in the chrome. Not every man can tame it, but we bring it home. From Medina to Munich, we know the sacred art, restoring roaring beauty with a passionate heart. Bring it back to glory, don't let time betray. The Scuderia touch will light the righteous way. Alpha dreams and Ferraris fly, with Maseratis racing by, and the E9's grace won't fade away. E9's grace won't fade away. You can't fake soul with polish, or power with a spray. It takes the hands of craftsmen who know the old school way. No shortcuts, no surrender, no compromise in mind. We breathe new life in classics, mechanical divine. Bring it back to glory, don't let time betray. The Scuderia touch will light the righteous way. Alpha dreams and Ferraris fly, with Maseratis racing by, and the E9's grace won't fade away. Every bolt, a story told in shining red or silver bolt. It's not just steel, it's history, and we restore it faithfully. Bring it back to glory, let the engines play. The soul of driving, born the Scuderia way. From Paris hills to German streets, where every line and heartbeat meets, your legend rides again today. Scuderia Sportiva, where legends rise again. What fell off my love is fully ray. The welcome back to glory, the let the away, and we restoring and faithfully away. There's something everybody's different.